Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi problems on Windows 10. So you may be facing issues like unidentified network, no internet connection or limited access in your system. So to fix this issue there are three methods. So let's see the method number 1. Just go to the network icon in the taskbar, right click over it and click on the option troubleshoot problems. So this will automatically detect the network problems and troubleshoot them also. Just click on next. But sometimes it also displays some instructions for us that we have to follow. So I am just showing a snapshot of network troubleshooter. So it can display message like this: unplug or turn off the device. After all the lights on the device are off, wait at least 10 seconds. So just follow the instruction that this troubleshooting tool suggests you to do. So just follow the instruction that it shows. Right now it is saying that it has verified that it is able to access the websites and there is no issue. So I'll close this. So this was method number 1 to fix the Wi-Fi problem. Now let's see the method number 2. Just go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on the search result device manager. Now just expand this network adapters and just click on this Realtek 8821AE wireless LAN 802.11 AC. So this is the wireless adapter. Just right click over it and just click on the option uninstall device. Just click on the uninstall button. So it has now uninstalled the Wi-Fi driver. Now to install it back, just click on the action menu and just select this option, scan for hardware changes. And you can see that it has installed it back. After this, just select it again, right click over it and just click on the option update driver. Choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers. Now choose let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now just select this first one and just click on the next button. Now close this and just restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. Now if method number 1 and method number 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Just go to the search bar and type CMD. Now in the search result, just right click over command prompt and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to execute 4 commands. I'll give these commands in the video description. So just copy it and paste it and hit enter. Now copy another command and paste it again and hit enter. Similarly, just do the same for the other two also. Now type exit to exit out of this window. Now just restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the three methods that you can try out to fix the issue of Wi-Fi problems in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.